Mauro from LELIT, and today we will change the pressure gauge from an ANA. This procedure is the same for all the 50s line coffee machines. Disconnect the machine to the power supply. Use the screwdriver PH2 to unscrew the two screws off the top of the machine and remove the water tank. Remove the little filter or the resin filter and remove the top of the machine. Push the tube inside and remove. With the adjustable wrench key, lock the fitting. Use the wrench key number 12 to unscrew the nut. Remove the pressure gauge. Press the tabs on the pressure gauge body to remove it. Okay. Take out the pressure gauge. I make a little bit. And I can insert the pressure gauge in the correct, with the tube in the correct position. Carry out to insertion operation gently and pay attention to the capillary tube. Okay. The capillary tube must not touch any surface. Okay. Connect the new pressure gauge to the fitting. Okay. Lock the fitting with the adjustable key. And lock the fitting. Take care the capillary tube do not have to touch with the pump, because in the future you can have problem with the vibration. Insert the silicone tube through the upper part panel and you have to install. Screw the two screws. Connect a new resin filter and insert the water tank. Thank you for watching.